Hello and welcome to my course using Photoshop for web design. My name is Keith Hearn from Creative Online Schools, and I'm going to be your instructor for this course. Now, I have over 20 years of experience in graphic design, web design, and UX and UI design. I've taught hundreds of students in both classrooms and online, and I'm really looking forward to going through this course with you. In this course, what we're going to be doing is we're going to use Photoshop to wireframe and design a website that can be used on desktop, tablets, and mobile devices. Next, I'm going to show you how to export this into a format that's going to make it easy for a client to review. And then finally, I'm going to show you how to export it for the web so you can export all the CSS styles and pretty much have it ready for a front-end developer to start working on it. Now, I know there's many tools out there for designing websites, but I decided to use Photoshop for several reasons. For one, Photoshop is the most well-known program for doing design work as well as web design work. Two, it works cross-platform. Three, it's capable of performing more tasks than any other software that's out there right now, giving you the ability to create a completely custom design instead of just one that fits in within a template of that software or its prerequisites. And four, with recent updates to the way that Adobe distributes their software online, a monthly subscription really makes it more cost-effective and available to more users. Now, this isn't to say that other programs don't have their place or maybe are better in some way, but to try to cover all these different pieces of software and applications could take many hours, as well as many subscriptions to various sites or to have you download various applications that may come or go by the time that you watch this. Photoshop's been around for almost 30 years now. It's really showing no signs of slowing down. So with that said, let's go ahead and jump into the first steps in creating our website design.